Hi, this is Elan Academy and you're watching our YouTube channel. Let's see how to sum, subtract, multiply and divide the figures in the Excel. Press equal sign and type sum, open bracket, use shift and up arrow key, select your figures, close bracket, there you go. To subtract, just copy the formula, Control C, press Control V. I have the formula on these cells. Now just add the minus sign and you will get your subtract result. For the multiply, press equal, select the first figure, shift 8, which will give you the multiply sign, then second figure, you have the result. For the divide, same thing, press equal, drag it to, that's how you get it. Thanks for watching.